Hello guys, this is Saurabh. In this video, we are going to learn how to create custom post in WordPress. So let's see how to do this. So here you can see the option. There is an option of post right here. So this one is by default of WordPress. So I need my own post, right? So I need my own right custom post. So how can I do this? So first you need to create theme edit. Go to the theme editor here, and here we are going to create the custom post, right? So go to the function theme function.php file. Here you can see this one, right? And go to the end of this code, end of the end of this code right here, right? So here you need to put some code. So I already have this code, that image here. I'll give you this code on this video description, right? So you don't need to worry about this. Copy this code and paste here, right? And now here you can see here is one function option, that's name is create post type, right? And register post type is WP teacher. So I'm going to change this teacher to student, right? And right here you can see label name or label name, like here you can see that one is posts, right? So I'm going to use here student, students, and the singular name is, you can write student only, right? And here is slug. So I'm going to use here student names, right? And add action. So create prototype function you need to add here, right? Like this. So that's very simple. Now you need to click on update file, wait some seconds, and this will going to update soon. Okay, it's updated. Now we are going to refresh here our website, and you will see here is a post student, right? So here we create, you need to click on add new, and you can create your own post, right? Like this. This is my first on custom. Okay, customs post, right? Whatever. So don't worry with that, and just copy and paste here like this. And now you need to click on publish. Right, now you can see, click on view option, and you will see the here, oops, that space can't be found, right? So here is one very similar error, like you can uh, I think you maybe everyone face this issue right here after creating this. So you don't need to worry about this. This error solution is very simple. You need to go to the setting, click on the param link, and now you need to change like this plan, and again day and time, and click on save changes. Simple. And now we are going to refresh this page again, and you will see this is my first on custom post, and that's my code. So here we just create a custom post in our WordPress without any plugin, using code, right? So if you have any doubt, you can ask me on comment, and in another video we are going to make the custom post with the custom field also, right? Here you can see here is only one like two things. That one, first one is you can put your title, and second one you can put your description only, right? We are going to add here many functionalities, like you can, if you are using the bookstore, right? So you need to use here book name, book author name, and many things, right? So we are going to do this further in another video, right? So let me know if you have any doubt. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like my video and subscribe my channel.